And here's what I learned from Steve. People don't buy products, they buy feelings.
Don't start an Amazon FBA business. That's the type of advice that you're going to be hearing for the rest of 2022 and 2023. Of course, with inflation, rise in gas prices, wars, and lots of crazy things happening throughout the world, maybe launching a business is not the right time. But Amazon and e-commerce is a different type of business. So in this video, I'm going to be focusing on the types of products and how you can sell successful products on Amazon if you are currently starting out choosing a product, or even if you are currently selling a product, what things you can change in order to skyrocket your sales. Let's get going. Now, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are obsessed with selling on Amazon and basically based in the Middle East and focused on the market in the Middle East. Currently in the Middle East, we have 3 Amazon marketplaces, the UAE, KSA, and Egypt. The UAE being the most active of them all, but all 3 of them are absolutely amazing with a lot of demand and not very high competition. So if you're thinking of launching a product, this is the right place and the right time for you to launch, no matter where you live. That's the beauty of selling online. But also do remember that Amazon is, even though it's a marketplace that has a lot of traffic, we still need to sell the product. People buy based on emotions and then justify their purchase based on logic.
So when you find that kind of thing, then you want to sell the dream. And the way you sell the dream is to get other people to believe in the dream. And the way you get other people to believe in the dream is to show them how it makes the world a better place.
So just selling a product because it makes sense and it's logical is not enough, because you need to ensure that people are going to be excited and emotionally attached to that product, even if it's a simple everyday product. Hear me out. These are things that are going to make a lot of sense. I'm going to show you on the computer on Amazon actually, some examples of what I'm talking about. But before we get going, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you like this video and leave me a comment in the comment section below. So number 1, we need to choose a product that actually solves a problem. So customers normally have a pain point. It can be simple pain point, but our product needs to solve that problem and we need to show the customer how our product solves their problem. Now, this is the example of a product that solves a problem. You'll see different sellers with different main images. The products that come from Amazon Basics normally don't require that much hard work because they rely heavily on the Amazon brand. But other sellers actually have to showcase the pain point that they are trying to solve. This being bestseller, the bestseller in the category, they're actually selling more than Amazon. They are focused on the features of the product, but they are also focused on the pain point. This image showcases exactly. So if you do have a monitor, you understand why it's important to have a monitor stand, because monitors, unless your screen is adjustable, they're always lower than your eye level, which makes you have really back pain, exactly like this image. So this is how the seller is actually focusing on the pain point that they are solving. Also, additionally, another pain point that they're focusing on is the fact that it keeps your desk. I'm not really sure about this one, but it does keep your desk a little bit less messy. So focused on the features for sure, but definitely also focused on the pain point, especially when it comes to the video. Reason number 2 why people might buy your product, it makes them look good in front of other people. Product number 2, this solves a pain point and also makes you look good, and it's these kitchen storage containers. Imagine walking into somebody's kitchen, especially if they have like an open shelving type of kitchen, and seeing all of these wonderful components fully stocked and having a great pantry. So many well-known influencers actually now showcase their pantry and how organized it is, and this is the thing that actually kickstarted the whole idea behind this kitchen organization obsession. Reason number 3, this is my favorite one. Luxurious feeling. So mostly what people are looking for when they log into Amazon is a really high quality product, something that looks absolutely luxe, however, doesn't have a luxury price point, is priced at a really good price.
An example of a luxury product at a really good price, because that's what all Amazon customers want, headphones. Headphones are normally a little bit expensive, especially if you look at the well-known brands such as Apple and JBL. But definitely what people look for when they look for products on Amazon is that luxury feeling and look, of course, because they also want the products to look luxury, but they want them at a really good price. So this is the case of this product, which is the best seller for the moment. And they are actually giving the same exact images and the same exact style, very luxury finish, very luxury looking product with incredible ratings and reviews, but at a very, very low cost and a very low price.
And reason number 4, makes my life easier. So we want to sell products that improve and enhance people's lives and makes them, well, have a better life and makes their life easier.
This is a product that not only makes life easy, but it is also very cool. This product has been, it's been doing so well for the past couple of years, and it's not a cheap product. And as you know, if you have one or if you're thinking of buying one, so many people love the robot vacuum because it makes your life easy. It basically cleans your floors, it cleans your house without you actually being in the house. So it's absolutely fantastic, or without you actually having to do anything. It just does all of the work for you, just like you can see right here in the video. Such a great and easy product to have, especially it's been positioned for people who have pets.
So whatever product you sell, ensure that it hits one of those 4 feelings and reasons. And once you identify what the main feeling behind selling your product, make sure that you extremely focus on it. Be it in your images, which is very important because images can evoke feelings, text not so much, but also focus using your text, the bullet points, and the product description. Remember, this is a competitive marketplace and you need to sell the product emotionally rather than just like it's a regular everyday standard product. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite feeling and which one do you identify with the most. And is there an additional feeling that I didn't talk about? Let me know. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.